Krishna, Parishuram here. Welcome to Karuna Sandhi 8th class. It is a continuation of last class. ಇಟ್ಟಿ ಕಲ್ಲನು ಭಕುತಿಯಿಂದಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಭಕುತಗೆ ಮೆಚ್ಚಿ ತನ್ನನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಬಡ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣನ ಒಪ್ಪಿಡಿ ಅವಲಿಗಖಿಳಾರ್ಥ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಮಾತುಗಳೆಂದ ಚೈದ್ಯನ ಪೊಟ್ಟೆಯೊಳಗಿಂಬಿಟ್ಟ ಬಾಣದಲಿಟ್ಟ ಭೀಷ್ಮನ ಅವಗುಣಗಳೆಣಿಸಿದ ನೀನು ಕರುಳಾಲು. This is 11th padya continued. In earlier class, we covered the Mahime, Karune of Lord related to Pundalika Muni, Kuchela, Sudhama. Now we will proceed further. Ketta Matugalenda Chaidyana Pottayolagimbitta. Shishupala, the king of Chaidya state, he was called as Chaidya. Shishupala was cousin to Lord Sri Krishna. It was during great Rajasuya Yaga of Yudhishthira. Many kings, princes, many important persons were invited. Sri Krishna was also present at that time. For big function, there is a custom to make one person with high level of respect, image, knowledge, body strength, etc. to receive the Agra Puja, main puja, top puja. All the participants ultimately agreed to make Lord Sri Krishna to receive the Agra Puja, main puja. Agra Puja is humble respect to be given by all those present in the function before the start of the function. Lord Sri Krishna was called to the main seat and Yudhishthira started the procedure to offer Agra Puja to Lord Krishna. During that time, suddenly the Chaidiraja Chaidya Shishupala stood up from his seat with angry and started abusing Lord Sri Krishna with voice, loud voice. He used very ugly and dirty words towards Sri Krishna at the Raja Sabha in which great people were gathered. He not considered the Sabha Maryada. Lord Krishna tolerated his 100 abusive words after he took his Sudarshana Chakra and targeted him. The Shishupala's head was cut off from the body. Shishupala is dead. The incident is to be analyzed with patience. Sri Madhvacharyaru explained it and sorted out the doubts. Shishupala, the Chaidiraja, was with two souls inside the physical body. Our medical word now says split personality. Split personality. It is something different for curing some diseases and all the things. Okay, they have taken based on this our Indian sayings. One is Jaya, the Satvika soul in the Chaidiraja, took birth as there itself, as Shishupala itself. He was cursed by Sanakadi Devas, the Brahma Manasa Putras. Other one is Shishupala, Asura, got tamas here. The first Shishupala, he got blessed by Lord, and another Shishupala got tamas. Jaya and Vijayas are the gatekeepers of Sri Harimandira at Vaikuntha, eternal abode. They both prevented the Sanakadi Devatas to enter into sanctuarium, the inner mandira of Lord Sri Krishna, Lord Lakshmi Narayana. The Dwarapalakas, the gatekeepers, prevented them. Being Bhagavad Bhaktas, they should have not prevented. They should have not been prevented. They should have given allowed. They were allowed. They should have been allowed immediately. By the act of these doorkeepers, gatekeepers, Dwarapalakas, they become angry and cursed them. On the advice of Lord Narayana, Jaya and Vijaya took 3 births in Bhuloka as Vishnu Desis, and also they got killed by Srihari itself. Here, Lord Sri Krishna took pity on Shishupala because Jaya, the Satvika soul, is also existing within the physical body. Lord Sri Krishna blessed the Jaya within the body of Shishupala and punished Asura Shishupala by sending him to the hell, hellest of the hell. At the outset, it appears that the Supreme Lord will give his abode to those who abuse him also. Many commentators and interpreters are interpreting that showing of hatredness Uttering the dirty words to Lord will also lead to moksha. It is false totally. The person using abusive languages and hating the Lord will surely send down to hell, hell of the hell, the Andantamasu, never returnable. The Lord will pardon his devotees abusive languages him due to the effect of prarabdha karma. If a devotee abuses the Lord due to the effect of prarabdha karma, due to the influence of prarabdha karma, Lord will forgive him due to some compelling reasons and circumstances. Lord will forgive his devotees. So Lord given place in his belly in Tridhama to Jaya only, not to the Sisupala, the Asura. ಬಾಣದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟ ಭೀಷ್ಮನ ಅವಗುಣಗಳ ಎಣಿಸಿದನೇನು ಕರುಣಾಳು. ಭೀಷ್ಮಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಂತನು ಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿ. He was earlier Devavrata by name. He sacrificed all his pleasure, life and comforts for the welfare of his father Shantanu Maharaja. He took oath that he will remain as unmarried person and protect the offsprings of Shantanu Maharaja at any cost. It was necessary for Satyavati to marry Santanu Maharaja. During the Mahabharata Great War, Bhishma naturally took the side of Suyodhana, the Kauravaru, against Pandavas, and also he took over the post chief commander of Kaurava army, Mahasenadipati. Bhishma was quite aware that the Kauravas are selfish and given lot of sufferings to Pandavas. Bhishma was not liking Kauravas also, as they were on wrong path. Still he took Kauravas side. They wanted to return the throne by any means, by killing Pandavas any means. Bhishma during Bharata war took weapons even directing towards Lord Sri Krishna. However, Lord Sri Krishna did not took it to his mind. Bhishma being a Sattvika soul, he blessed him. It is also known to the Lord that Bhishma was incarnation of Vasu, Dhunamaka Vasu. The Lord is aware of the nature of each and every souls. The Supreme Lord is so kind that he will receive whatever is offered to him by his pure devotees with pure bhakti. In Gita, Sri Krishna says in Adhyaya 9, Patram Pushpam Phalam Toyam Yome Bhaktya Prayachati. For this, Huilegola Dasaru, Achyuta Dasaru has translated into Kannada Sangatya. ಭಕ್ತನುಹು ಕಾಯಿ ಎಲೆಗಳ ವಿರತಿಯಂ ಭಕ್ತಿಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದೇ ಮಾವು, ಭಕ್ತಿಲಿ ಸವಿವೇನು ಭಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಮೆಚ್ಚುವೆ, ಭಕ್ತಿಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದೇ ಬೇವು, ಭಕ್ತಿಲಿ ಕೊಡದದ್ದೇ ಬೇವು. I receive any offerings, even a small leaf, small fruit, small flower, small quantity of water, and in return I provide them moksha, the purushartha, provided it is offered with the extreme devotion, the bhakti, Lord says. So Harikathamutsara will tell us about the God realization, is it not? This is the initiation of Bharatiya Haridasa Sahitya Vidyalaya Bengaluru. We are serving the society in Haridasa Sahitya for the last 25 years. Please press a button given in the description to listen to Karuna Sandhi. Hare Krishna, Hare Srinivasa.